Alright, so we're catching some support here on that 4220 for the S&P. We'll see how long this can actually hold. Let's see. Nasdaq's getting rejected already. We'll see if the S&P as well could get rejected. Microsoft having a little pop there. Tesla's on the lows. Let's see if Nasdaq could break down again below that 46. S&P, we need to break below 4220, and we'll make a move back down to that low of 4124. Yep. There's the Nasdaq breaking down. Let's see if the S&P could follow. There it goes. Nasdaq selling off. Tesla on the lows. Microsoft holding up pretty well compared to others. Nasdaq selling off still. The move continues. S&P's holding up here a little bit better. Doesn't want to break down. But remember, below 4220, and it's going to get ugly. Got a little bounce there. Not sure how much this bounce could actually mean. Microsoft's holding there a little too well. We need Boeing below. What is that? 72. Boeing's bouncing up there a little bit. It's a little better than the S&P. I just went short on the on Nasdaq at 50. Big green candle. Let's see if we could get another one of those red candles that follows it. One of those huge red candles that usually follow these big green candles. Let's see if we can get any flush down here. Come on, let's see that flush down there. Oh, it's getting picked up. Never mind. Not good. It's getting picked up. This needs to break down, or if not, we might make another big candle. On another big green candle. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna take it there at 36. But there, look, right after flush is down. I missed out on those extra 20 points. Wow, there it goes. Nice. We need to see big red day today. We're talking about 3% on Nasdaq, just like I had a 3% day on the upside. We need to have that on the reverse side. Get down to 315. S&P needs to break below the 4220. Is holding that pretty well right now. Once we get that break below 4220, we're gonna definitely make a move down to 4125, 4110. Would be the next spot. I mean, it's holding pretty good here. We'll see though. This can mean anything. All right, Nasdaq looking kind of weak. Looks like it might make a new low here. Might want to get short here pretty soon. Let's see if we get some type of reject. Oh, there it's getting there. It's kind of holding though, so let's see if we get another a little green candle that pops up there. This might be that green candle. Again, S&P is holding up pretty well. It's holding that 4420 and it's holding the EMA right now. That could turn around though pretty quick. Got in there at 304. I mean 504. Let's see if we could get a flush now. Break down below that 500 and start making a move, picking up some volume. It's still early in the day, so I feel like every sell-off is having a little people are just stepping in to buy it, but I feel like maybe once we get all these buyers out of the way, this thing will really start selling off. I got out there just in case this thing wants to pop, just because we have a wick here, a wick here, a wick here. People trying to pop it up. So let's see what they do. Gonna wait. There it goes. We need to start picking up some volume here. Currently down 1.7%. Will we get another 3% day on Nasdaq, but on the reverse side? Inflation's at 7.9%. Massive. Like I said, Nasdaq's holding this right here pretty good. It's not breaking down. People keep stepping in there to buy it. You might see a little pop, like a little bounce, buyers trying to pick it up. But I do think that this is, once we get those buyers out of the way and start to curl back down, then we'll make that move. Because we're just like, look, it kind of breaks down, makes a new low, and then people just buy it up. Makes a new low, people just buy it up. So maybe we got to just wait a little bit more. So this is the bounce we were expecting and waiting for. So the buyers could finally get in here and do their thing. And then I think it's gonna. I don't think it'll break 50, but we'll see if it gets up there and starts rejecting, and then finally we can make our moves down a lot quicker. Yeah, here we go. Starting to look weak again. Can this have one more little pop before the breakdown? Ah, this might be it right here. Let's see how high we get. Come on, let's push up. Let's push up to 50. I got in there at 49. I will look to add again if we get up to 60. Took it there at 34. Yeah, it doesn't look good though. Once we start to break that 20, I'll start to get in again. Look for 490. I'm in there at 23. Let's see if we can continue that move down there. Got to break below 510. They're trying to buy it up right now. We'll see if they can. Candle's turning green now. Gonna hold it a little bit though. Okay, they're holding it up here. This candle makes a new high. Obviously, we're gonna get out. But this candle needs to start breaking below 510. Still kind of holding here. The longer it holds here, the more dangerous it gets for your position if you're short. Alright, I might look to get out here. Gonna give it a few more seconds, see if it wants to break down. Yeah, they're buying it up here. There's buyers still. Buyers are stepping in. I got at that 39. This thing's gonna have another pop up there. That's alright. So far, Nasdaq holding at 42. I mean, S&P holding at 42.20. It's good for them. We'll see how long they can hold it for though. Nasdaq getting stuck here a little bit. We'll look to get short now if we make a move up to 580. Got that clean rejection. I would have still been in, but unfortunately this green candle knocked me out. Nice rejection though. We got that double top there. Wasn't able to clear it. Now we got that big red candle. Now we'll look for a small green candle. See if a small green candle forms to get in short. No, it's not gonna make it. But here we go. We're gonna make those moves now. Tesla on the low. Still holding pretty well. It's not good. We need this to break down ASAP. Ah, man. That's unfortunate, man. This thing's holding way too good there, bro. Keeps getting rejected, but there's just too many buyers. There's so many buyers right now. There's more buyers than sellers, for sure. They just won't let that shit break. They know once this thing breaks, our next levels can be 30, 13, 315. Which will put us at about 3% down day. S&P is doing a lot better than NASDAQ today. Fuck, man. Probably gonna get a little rally here now. Since the buyers were able to hold this up, it's probably gonna rally a bit. We might see the S&P turn up to 42.46. The VWAP, test that out. AMD is still selling off, man. Telling you, man, we need to get out of this fucking zone where we just have buyers stepping in every opportunity. Look at that on the 1 hour chart. It bounced perfectly off of that 42.20. Just a lot of support there. This move on Nasdaq is probably gonna make a move all the way up here to 575. So be careful. If you're trying to add short here, you could, but I just feel like this is a little dangerous now because it tried it once. This is a second time. It's probably gonna break through it. S&P at 46.40, 42.46. Try to add some shorts. Nasdaq at 75. I'll add some shorts. Let's see if we could get that climb up there, which looks like we will. And maybe this rally will finally get all the buyers out. Here it goes. Get ready. About to get filled. Let's see. Nasdaq's definitely a little weaker than the S&P. S&P's bouncing a little harder. Will I get filled here though? That's the question. We just need one little more pop and I think I should get filled. Come on, you were so close to filling me, both of you. There you go. Just got filled on both. And it has a massive pop right after. Gonna add another one there on S&P. Looks like this thing's gonna rally, man. It's a strong bounce right here. Really strong bounce. Wow. Wow, it's still going. That's surprising. This thing is very surprising today. Did not expect this to bounce that hard. I thought it was gonna get rejected right here. Would like to see a nice rejection now on the 5-minute, get below the VWAP again. I got filled pretty terribly on the Nasdaq one. Let's break down all the way. Let's get a solid rejection here. I got out of that one basically break even, just because I'm too heavy on shorts now. We'll see if the S&P wants to sell off here or continue to rally. It's holding that level pretty good. We might have another bounce here. I took all of them there. Nasdaq would have been a better play, but I got filled pretty low there. Now hopefully that got out all the buyers, and then we'll try to make a move back down to the lows of here on the S&P and on Nasdaq. AMD is very weak today. It's down 4.5%. Let's see, Square 4.8%, PayPal 2%, Facebook barely 2%. AMD's on the low. Beautiful rejection there. Should have held those puts. I mean, not the puts, the those shorts a lot longer. That was a nice entry. I got in a little, actually a little low. I wanted to get in higher, but I thought it was reject. It would double top here and just reject. So I put my order in around 75, but it actually ended up popping all the way to 95. We're still holding these levels. We're not able to break down that fast as I thought we would. U.S. annual inflation rate hits fastest pace in 4 decades. Let's see. S&P's like I said, S&P's holding up a little bit stronger than the Nasdaq today. It's only down 0.8% compared to the Nasdaq down 1.6. That's honestly pretty surprising. And I got SPY put, so I'm getting killed there. This looks like Nasdaq wants to break down here, but let's see if we could reject that EMA. Or is it going to have another one of these rallies? How do we get 7.9% inflation and markets are barely down? It's crazy. Here comes the breakdown. About to go short right here. Get ready. Got in there at 16. Let's see if we can break down. We're just gonna pop. Here we go. Took it there at 6. That was about 10 handles only. Wow, it keeps bouncing. I'm surprised how good this thing's holding up today. We're about to see a red to green day today, man. Jesus. It's crucial, man. Why couldn't Boeing sell off like AMD today, man? Will we reject? That's the question. Will we reject? This thing is looking ready to take off. Wants to bounce here again. Just probably gonna wait. Just just gonna wait because this thing's holding this level really good, so it's not good for me, but I'm gonna set up some alerts. So I might be getting off here soon. So once we start breaking this, come talk to me. Rejecting right on that level, which is nice. Can we get a full rejection, or is this thing gonna break above this? Let's see. Nice rejection there. Where are these buyers coming from? I don't get it. Nice. I don't know if you guys saw that. I tried to click to show. I tried to sell some contracts at 30, and I clicked right outside the box. I didn't get filled, but let's see if this thing wants to bounce a little bit here. These bounces are just like, what the fuck? Where are these coming from? They're so confusing. Now I don't know if I'm gonna get in short anymore because this candle's too big. It's probably gonna rally again. Oh my god, man. I don't get it. These buyers, bro, I'm telling you, these buyers, man. They're all buying the dip. They don't want to sell this shit off. It's painful to watch. Let's see if this thing wants to pop up to 75 again. All right, looks like I'm about to get out. I mean, not get out. I'm sorry. Like I'm about to call it a day. There's just a lot of kind of slow movement today. No big sell-offs. No continuation. Gonna just call it a day here before I overtrade. Well, let's see if this makes a move up. 75. Here we go. Can we get to 75 again? This one might make a move to the VWAP this time. There it goes. Let's see if we can get one more pop after this one before I get in. Unless this candle's really strong, I'm probably gonna just wait until that VWAP hits then. Here we go. Can we get up to 610? We're almost there. Wow, it got rejected so early. It got rejected at that 96, which is like that kind of that double top here. Damn, I wanted it to get a little higher so I could get short. Alright, looks like it might want to go up there actually. I got that order at 608. Got rejected right at the VWAP. Here goes the next pop. This thing might have a quick pop to like 20, so be careful here. Here it goes. This is one of those moves where it might have a kind of parabolic pop and then maybe get rejected, but we'll see. It's getting stuck here. You would think with the CPI, you know, CPI news today that we would get pretty big sell-off, but no, markets don't give a fuck about that or about inflation. They don't give a fuck about it. Alright, looks like we're not going to get filled at all, so I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to call it a day for now. Hope everybody had a good day trading. Yeah, we'll see where this goes from now. I'm gonna set up some alerts once we start to break down, if we do. All right, y'all, catch y'all tomorrow.